Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If you know me very well, like if you know me like personally or you don't even know me personally, you might have known or might have seen that I'm not the type that I like to do too much of when it comes to my hair. I don't like to stress it at all because I can't really do my natural hair by myself. I know I could learn if I want to. If I want to put my mind, if I put my mind on something, we all can do it. You know that kind of, you know the term, right? But I just don't want to stress it because I have other things I like to do. So I put my effort on those things. So for today's video, it is not sponsored. I purchased this product I'm about to feature today. The wig I'm about to feature is by Luvme. I've seen their ad here and there on Instagram, on TikTok. You know, I don't really go to Facebook. I believe they will be on Facebook too, and I've seen it most especially on YouTube, and I was like, okay, if this wig is truly what it says it is, like, you know, all this invisible, like noticeable, untraceable lace under it that you don't even need a glue. So I decided to purchase one, and I am going to be giving you my very truthful opinion, my very truthful review about this product. It is not sponsored, and you all know me. Even if it is sponsored, I'm going to say it as it is. But before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Please do leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and please ignore this line. If you're seeing any black spot under my eye, it's because my eyes is getting irritated. It's just this side of my eye, but I have to do what I have to do, ladies. All right, so before I unbox the products, I want to tell you about the shipment. The shipment was very fast. I ordered the wig 26th of March, and it got here like 3 or 4 days after I ordered it. It wasn't up to a week. And also, as a first timer purchaser from their website, they have some discount going on. For people that ordered for the very first time, you get some kind of discount off. So the wig originally was sold for $209.09, but by the time I put it in the cart and the shipping was free, and I paid a total of $157.43. The wig I'm featuring today, it's the glueless high density breathable lace closure wig. Yes, I'm looking it up on my phone so I don't mess it up. I think I ordered the inches, I think it's about 16 or 14 inches, but this is this came in. These are extra stuff that came in with the products. They have in here their Luvme. Inside here we have a comb, of course, to use to style it, and also a wig grabber, you know, that you're going to put on your, let me go ahead and just open. It's a leopard design that you use to put on your head and put the wig on. It's like headband. It's a rubber band. This one is rubber band, and it has this freckle thing going on at the back. So I think it's the one you put, then you put the wig on top, if I'm not wrong. I don't know, but that came in. And also the brush for styling, which is this one right here. So aside from that, I also have this that came in, bonnets. This is the bonnets, which is super cute. I like it. And they use a silky material. Also, it came with this wig cap. I believe we have 2 pieces of it. Of course, inside of it, it's a 2-piece written outside of the packaging. So that is it. I already took this out of the bag that it came in. It was neatly packed. I just love the way they package it right here. And this is Luvme hair, and this is my first time purchasing from them. I love the way they package it. It's really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and just take off this and let's see the products itself. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Elena, the founder of Luvme hair. That's what they wrote right here. Inside of the box, I brought out the hair, of course. We have this bag inside of it where you can store your wig when it's not in use. Also, you have a $5 coupon thing inside of here, $5 user guide. Yeah, that's so amazing. Look at that. It came with a user guide. That is the wig. Yes, it's 16 inches long. Look at the lace. This is glueless high density breathable lace closure wig. It has a small lace at the front that you have to cut out. I think that's just about what you need to do for you to wear this wig. This eye is really irritating, like I don't know why, and it's just messing up my makeup, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I have to do. So this is how it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just it has, of course, it has the band that you can use it to adjust it to your head circumference, and also it has this band at the back that you can also use it to just to fit your head perfectly how you want it. So I thought that she showed you. It's really cool that you can adjust this according to your head size. On this side, look at that, they have about three of these headbands section in 3 sections. Yeah, they section this band right here in 3 sections, so you can actually put this, see, 1 2 3. So I'm going to be putting it right here now. So I've gone ahead and put it, and I just slide it down this way. My camera stopped in between, but it was very easy to put on, very comfortable. Look at that already. So I just need to cut out this. I am going to have to do this off the camera in order not to mess it up. I've told you I'm not a professional in this, so I don't want to be looking at the camera and cut this off then mess up the wig. So I'm going to go off the camera, cut it off, and do the rest of the video. So this is what I cut out, that little tiny lace at the front, and I did not do any kind of no glue at all. You can see the excitement on my face already. This is absolutely worth it. All right, so far so good. I am loving it. Look at that. I did not put any concealer or foundation just to match my scarf. The whatever lace wig they use actually work for me, if you get my points. And I don't have to do any kind of baby hair. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in for you all to see more before we wrap up this video. I'm really excited, and I have one more thing to tell you, so don't touch that die. Do I need to say more? I don't think so. Like, I love how simple this wig is. So easy to apply. It's very beginner friendly. Like, no glue, no baby hair. It feels so natural, so light. The length is, for me, I love the 16 inches length. I mean, you can go over if you want 18. I think they have it up on to 24 if I'm not wrong, but I do like this. It's absolutely worth the money, it's worth the amount I paid for. I don't have to stress myself. So the only thing, I don't know why, I think I do experience that in most wigs, so I think it's not a problem with this wig at all. It's just how they construct wig. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. This particular side, it's just like this. So if you happen to just want to kind of style it in different way to put it behind your ear, it's gonna give you that kind of rabbit kind of hair, if you understand what I'm saying. But I'm not gonna worry about that because I'm not gonna be using it that way. If I need to restyle it, I will find a way to figure it out. It's not a bad thing at all. Like I said, I do experience with most of the wigs I own, so I think that's just how they construct wigs. So if you want to style a different way, you just have to find a way to maneuver it. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put it on the side. Let's see how it's going to look. If I put it on the side to look like a side pattern, I think it's not bad too. I like it. I don't have to worry about baby hair. Glue, yes, that's why I purchased the glueless breathable closure high density wig. It's really beautiful. I will tell you that it's worth the money. So if you want to invest in luxurious and very affordable wig, I will tell you to look into shopping from Luvme. Remember, this is not sponsored, and this is my honest and genuine review and opinion and thoughts about this company. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.